Hello there, I'm Haspa with WTI, and look at this beautiful lip color. Do you guys want to try it out too? Well, I want to tell you everything I love about it. So this is the TrueColor Perfectly Matte Lipstick from Avon in the shade Hot Plum, and I'm in love with this shade because it's not your typical lip color. So creamy, it's matte, and it feels so moisturizing on my lips. It's a beautiful purple tone, and since it has a hydrating formula, it feels so soft on my lips and so comfortable. It is definitely high pigmented, so it lasts me for a long time. And even if I drink or I eat, it still stays on. And again, since it's long lasting, I really think everyone should give this beautiful lip shade a try. It's so beautiful, you can see over here. I really think that it goes well with all skin tones, but you should try it out. And yeah, that's my point of view.